Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn how we can log in or sign up to our Uber Eats application. So without further ado, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started with today's video. If you want to log into your Uber Eats application, all you have to do is first of all, launch the Uber Eats application by making sure you have downloaded it from your Play Store or your App Store. Then once you launch it, this is the kind of interface that it is going to show up. It might take a couple of seconds whenever you're trying to load for the first time. Now first is that you can actually log in with your mobile number or your email address or your passkey. So you can enter your email and your password manually, or you can simply go ahead and then also make sure to enter your mobile number. But in my case, for my convenience, I have actually linked with my Google account, so I can just select continue with Google. If you also have set up using your Google account, then you can directly link your Google account and then you'll be successfully signed into your Epic Games account. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically sign into Epic Games or your Uber Eats application. And this is how you can go ahead and then basically sign into your Uber Eats app. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.